Good morning. Last class we discussed about the folk paintings, that is the Wali painting and the Fat painting, and today we'll be discussing about the third folk painting, that is the Madhubani painting. It is mainly originated from Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. This painting evolved when King of Mithila Janak asked the painter to draw marital ceremony of his daughter Sita and Lord Rama. These paintings are made on clothes and that is it is or else on the handmade paper or canvas. See, like in the Wali painting, we saw the main theme was marriage scene. The same way in Madhubani painting, the main theme will be the images of Hindu gods and goddesses like Krishna, Rama, Shiva, Durga, whichever the god it might be. They also paint the pictures of Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Krishna Lile, etc. There are three styles of painting in the Madhubani painting, that is Brahmin style, tattoo style, and Kshatriya style. Even in this, they use the natural colors only, and even the brushes were made of cotton wrapped around the bamboo stick. Here is some of the images of Madhubani painting. See here. So these are some of the examples of Madhubani painting. And the next type of painting is the Patachitra painting. Okay, where Pata means canvas and Chitra means picture. So it is a painting of the painting is originally from Odisha. Okay, and Patachitra is nothing but painting done on a canvas. Paintings are the main theme is it is based on the Hindu mythology, specially inspired by Jagannath and Vaishnava. See, here are some examples of Patachitra painting. So these are some of the examples of Patachitra painting. The main thing what you'll have to remember is it is from Odisha and it is based on the Hindu mythological stories. Like the paintings are made on based on the Hindu mythology. Next type of painting is Pichwai paintings. Okay, these are the paintings which are made on the cloth and it depicts the scenes from the life of Lord Krishna. Like the stories of Lord Krishna's are being painted in Pichwai paintings, and paintings are made on rough hand spun cloth. Okay, it is made on a cloth only, and the paintings are embroidered cloth hanging. They are also used in the temples and the chariots. Like whatever the paintings the made, no, that is the Pichwai paintings. What are made? Okay, they'll be used as a decoration also in some of the temples and for also the chariots. Okay, and it is originated from Natadwar near Udaipur, Rajasthan. Here are some of the examples. As I told you, Pichwai paintings, the main theme will be the life of Lord Krishna. And the last type of folk painting is our Kalamkari paintings. Okay, it is a art form of Andhra Pradesh. It is originated from Andhra Pradesh, and these paintings are made on cotton or silk fabrics. Okay, and here kalam is nothing but pen and kari is work. So work done using a pen is known as Kalamkari painting. They use bamboo or date palm stick pointed at one end with bundle of fine hair attached to this pointed end to serve as a brush or a pen. And even here they use all natural colors only, like they use the vegetable dyes used on cloth to color the drawing. So here is some of the example. See, these are the examples of Kalamkari paintings where the paintings are made using the pen. Thank you.